let's go over probability basics. Now, to understand probability, we're going to be using marbles. Now, what is probability? Probability is focused on our chances of an event happening, and in the case of marbles, we're going to be focusing on our chances of drawing a particular marble. Now, before we get started, all these marbles that you see is what we call our sample space, and our sample space is the total number of possible outcomes that we're dealing with. Now, let's say we wanted to calculate the probability of drawing a yellow marble. Now, drawing a yellow marble is what we call our event, and our event is basically what we want to happen. So to calculate the probability of drawing a yellow marble, we're going to count the number of yellow marbles that we see, which is 3. And then we're going to divide it by the total number of marbles that we have, which is 15. And 3 divided by 15 is 0.2, which is 20%. Let's say we wanted to find the probability of drawing a blue marble. What we'll do is count the number of blue marbles that we see, which is 8. Then we'll divide it by the total, which is 15. And 8 divided by 15 is about 0.533, and we'll round that to 0.53, which is 53%. Now let's say we wanted to find the probability of drawing a white marble. So in this case, we'll count the number of white marbles we have, which is 4. Then we'll divide it by 15, and that'll give us about 0.266, so we'll round it to 0.27, and that'll give us 27%. Now let's say we want to find the probability of drawing a black marble. Now if you look at our sample space, we only see yellow, white, and blue marbles. There's no black marbles. So in this case, don't let this question fool you. The probability of drawing a black marble is just going to be 0%. And that is basically the basics of probability.